Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to place an order with the pre-order lunchbox system. So the first thing we're going to want to do is log into our admin section. And then once we get into the admin section, we're going to want to navigate to students. So click on students. So basically, when you do the pre-order, the student will click order either from an iPad or any device, Windows tablet. They're going to want to put in their first and last name. So let's just edit John. Let's go ahead and change his funds to 20. Update. And we can see that's John's Thomas. So we can go ahead and type in John Thomas. And it's not case sensitive. So you can see that I picked up John. So it's going to want our date of birth now, which is 5 2, and what was the year? 1922. Okay, so basically I authenticated the first and last name and then his date of birth. Once you get past that, then he's good to go, and you can go ahead and click on what his main course, if you wanted a certain main item. And like I said, all these are customizable in the lunch settings section, so you can customize it to whatever you want it to say. And you can also limit the filling items. So if you only wanted them to choose 2, 3, or 4, you can set that max limit. And just so you see, he does have $20 in his funds. Shows right there, $20. Collects his meal, what time, and then it's just verifying, this is the total amount. Complete order. And you can see it added successfully, and he's all done. So now in the admin section, I'm going to refresh this page. You can now see there he's got one lunch order, so we can dive right into him. You can see his lunch order, the total. Once this is marked complete, that is when the funds get withdrawn. So just to show you, we'll go ahead and edit that lunch order. It's easier if you just go to lunch list, and you can actually see the John, and you can just set mark complete. You can see that I successfully took the funds from the student and marked the lunch order complete. So if we go back into John, you can see it's already taken the funds out. And that's all there really is to it. And just so you do know, you can export all lunch orders via Excel, or I like the PDF option because it exports into an Avery template, so you can print for labels. If you want to put the stickers or labels on the lunches, you can do that, and you can see that right here. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. Also keep in mind the PDF, when you do the export, that's only going to be showing the pending lunch orders. So if I didn't mark John's order not completed, you can see that he would show up on that PDF export, but the Excel just exports all the lunch orders. So keep that in mind when you're running these export